Smart Kids J.
Wow!
One choo-choo train's coming down the track. Kick-a-clack, all look back. We're going on an adventure, pack your snack. Choo-choo, choo-choo, hear that sound? The train is rolling all around. Choo-choo, choo-choo, wave hello. Through the hills and the valleys we go. We stop at the jungle, what do we see? A monkey swinging from a banana tree. Come on in, he shouts with glee. Let's ride the train, just you and me. Choo-choo, hear that sound? The wheels go spinning round and round. Choo-choo, choo-choo, off we go. Through the tunnels and past the snow. Next stop, the farm with cows that moo, pigs that oink and roosters too. They join the ride, what a crew, singing and laughing all the way through. More night is falling, stars shine bright. The train chugs gently through the night. Close your eyes, the day is done. Dream of trains and all the fun. Choo choo, choo choo, what